Hi guys, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to take you on a little trip that I made up to Skein Sisters, which is in Dulwich Hill in... I'm not sure if it's in Sydney, but it's very close to Sydney. And if I look tired, it's because I am. I've had a fantastic day today. I was up early at, well, early for me, up early at 7 o'clock on the train by just after 8:30 into Central, and then I met up with Elizabeth from Earl Grey Crochet and we caught the train out to Dulwich Hill. And we went and did a crochet class with Deanne from Addie Day Designs, and we did a shawl shaping class. It was so much fun. Deanne is a lovely, lovely person, and yeah, just we learnt so much. We got to do different shawl shapes. We got to look at all the shawls that she's made in person, so that was really good. It wasn't just on your computer or on your phone on Instagram. It was actually in person, and got to feel them, and yeah, had a really good day. Like I said, learnt so much. Bought some yarn, so I'll insert some photos of that. I'm trying not to shake. I'm just holding my phone. I look really tired. I am really tired. Yeah, had a fantastic day, and yeah, what can I say? It's right up there on my awesome yarn days that I've had. And we rushed to get the train back because I needed to get a train. I was trying to get the straight through train from Central, which is the Sydney train station, one of the Sydney train stations, out to where I live. And you can get a straight through train. So what that means is it doesn't go from Central and your next stop's your own town, but it skips most of the stations, and I usually have to swap at one of the stations to get another train, but the straight through, you don't have to swap, it just goes straight through. And I was like, yay. So it says platform 5 and it's a ghost town. And then I look up on the big, huge board. We'd got off the train about platform 20 or something when we'd got back into Central, walk all the way up to where all the things are on the wall which tells you where to go, like a mad woman. And I had to go back down to platform 23. So I dashed like mad, and I thought if I walk really, really fast, I may just catch the straight through train. Anyway, so I get to the platform, and it was really hectic, and I thought, this is a bit strange. There's not normally this much chaos on a train station. I mean, yeah, it's busy, but it was lots of chaos. So the guy comes over on the thing when they talk to you, and he said, oh, anybody going to where I'm going? I don't want to mention the towns. I don't really want to put my location out on YouTube. Yeah, so where I was going, the train stopped like 7 stations before where I needed to go. And this was only halfway to say the station I needed to do my swap over. 7 stations before that, there was a bushfire in a place called Holsworthy, and yeah, it's still going now. Today is Saturday the 14th of April, and yeah, big bushfire's gone through, and at this stage there's no businesses damaged. I don't think businesses, definitely no houses yet, and apparently there's been no injuries, which is really good. But yeah, so for about 10 stops after the train station they made us get off, it was a bus with lots of people, and yeah, not very pleasant. I mean, I don't do public transport. I don't really need to. I've got a car, and out where I live there's really no public transport to speak of anyway. So yeah, it was very cramped. Bus driver was on a mission. Poor Sydney Trains, they had to organise buses for hundreds and hundreds of people. Like, there was, I think probably 200 people got off the train at this station, all trying to get on a bus. So there was buses everywhere, but yeah, very well organised, which Sydney Trains have had complaints left, right and centre over the years, but considering it was a pain, it went really smoothly. And my husband met me halfway. I was going to catch the bus all the way to the station I needed to go to catch the next train back to my town, but he met me about 3 stops after I got on the bus, and he's like, don't worry, don't go all the way through, just get off there and I'll drive and meet you. So yay, husband. Gosh, I look so tired. That's because I am. It is 9:30 at night. I left the house this morning at just about 8:15, and we have been on the go, high on yarn fumes. My goodness me. The shop is amazing. Skein Sisters, if you're ever in town in Dulwich Hill, please go and visit. It is an amazing shop. The ladies that run it are so friendly. Yeah, I can't say anything more about that one. It's just awesome. And that's about it. That was my day, and we had loads and loads of laughs, chatted pretty much all day. Yeah, really good fun. And I took my knitting with me because it's not a very portable project. It's a jumper. It's the Weekender sweater by Andrea Mowry, something like that. I'll put the details on the screen. And yes, I was knitting that on the train, and I needed to knit 3 inches before I separate for the front and the back. Because I was on the train for so long today because of all the mucking around, I got it done. I didn't think I was going to get it all done because I expected the train trip home to be quite quick, but nope, it wasn't. So I was quite glad. You know, it was delayed and everything, but I was quite glad I got extra time to knit on it. And because once you're on the train, you can't do work, you can't answer emails or upload YouTube videos or anything. So you're forced to just sit there and enjoy the ride. So I'm glad I took my knitting with me. I didn't want to take my crochet because I was crocheting all day well, not all day, but I was crocheting at the class. So I thought I'll take my knitting with me and do that. And I'll insert any footage or any photos that we took from today. And there's one photo of Deanne and I, and it was quite funny. I was just taking a selfie with the yarn, and I realised Deanne was actually in part of the photo, so instead of just like tilting the camera so she wasn't in, I just went, oi! And she just turned around and yeah. I'll insert this photo. She said I could put it in, so hopefully she still doesn't mind because it's quite funny. But had a fabulous time, so thank you Deanne, thank you Elizabeth for a great day. Thank you Skein Sisters, not that you probably watch my podcast, but thank you for an amazing day. It was lots and lots of fun, and I cannot wait to do it again. Yeah, I think I might become a crochet class addict. It was quite fun. I'm sure all crochet teachers are different, but Deanne, you totally nailed it. Alright, thanks for watching guys. My arm is shaking like a good one now, so I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna take my makeup off. Half of it's already come off. I don't know, can you see the eyeshadow? How it's just gone like into the crease of my eyes. How do you stop that? I put like foundation powder on my eyes and then put my eyeshadow on. I think it's because I've had it on all day. I don't know, any tips? Now I can't see a thing. I'm off to bed, so I hope you are having a fantastic day, week, wherever you are in the week. It's Saturday here. Yeah, it's Saturday. I'm gonna do nothing tomorrow. I'm so tired. Oh my goodness. Too much excitement in one day. Thanks for watching guys. Till next time. Happy crochet. Bye.